What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna actually be working with my BoxyCharm. I would have the box here, but I already created this look using my BoxyCharm. I'm not sponsored by BoxyCharm. I pay for my BoxyCharm monthly. I even feel like I get my BoxyCharm a lot later than my friends. Comes with all these things inside of it. Let me just go through what it comes in since this is the long version. I also have a short version of this video on my Instagram. So yeah, so it comes in with some glitter drops. These are glitter drops from Cover It in the color Nova. Gold drops, and they look like this. Then we have a tweezer, which I'm definitely going to be using. It is from the brand Farah brushes. I've never used anything from this brand. Next, it's a brush cleaner. Yeah, makeup brush cleaner from Bodyographypro. And it's 2 fluid ounces. So that's cool too. Then I have some brushes from Luxie. Premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And they're really cute gold brushes. And this is the package. And then this is the last but not least. What I love is they also send you a palette every month, which is pretty cool since I do my makeup very often. It's cool to work with different colors and again with different brands that I've never used before. So this one is called the Grandiose palette, and I may be pronouncing that wrong. And it's also a cruelty-free brand, or maybe just the palette. I've never looked into it, but this is what the palette looks like. And it's super cute. Let me take off this plastic. It's a super cute palette. It has all like the fall colors that I would like. So I'm going to start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Something I like to do after I shape my eyebrows in is go in with the tweezer. So I'm going to do my eyebrows, tweeze a little bit of the hairs using that awesome dual-ended tweezer. So my last video I recorded and I had my heat on the whole time. Ugh, I'm so freaking mad at myself for doing that. So now I'm like in a cold ass room. But I don't know, I always get hot when I'm doing my makeup. Am I the only one who gets super hot when she's doing her makeup? Alright, let me move my hair out of my face so we can start. Primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish. I'm just going to take some of those glitter drops and apply them to my face. And I'm using the NARS Radiant Foundation in Valencia. Taking some Fix Plus. I'm just picking up a beauty blender and blending that out. Next, I'm picking up the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I'm using the shade Granola. So yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this. I heard a lot of good things about this concealer, so I'm excited to use it. It's nice. Probably not as like light as I usually like to go with my concealers, but I do like the applicator for sure. This concealer is so nice. Oh my gosh. I ordered from Namie's the banana bread setting powder. And so let me pick up the brushes. Seriously, I'm like the worst at taking things out of packages. Okay, so they're super cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. So they come with so the brushes that come inside of it are the 414 the 414 mini round brush, which looks like this. The 111 mini flat angled. It's cute. We got the mini angled 131. Looks like that. It's probably the biggest one out of the bunch. I know this one is. And then we got the 121 mini tapered, and that looks like that. I think to get into my crease, I'm gonna use the mini tapered, and we're gonna start off with a crease color. So picking up cinnamon, I'm gonna put that into my crease. Pick up some product and tap it off. And I'm going to do that to both sides and then blend it out. With no product, I'm just like blending out the harsh edges from that. So it should look something like this before you start the next color. So next I'm going to pick up, let me see, what should I do? I'm just going to blend those outsides a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and apply with, using the mini angled brush. I'm going to pick up Patchouli. And that looks like this. I'm just applying that under my brows and then blending that out. Again, I'm doing that twice. And as I'm applying it, I'm kind of like going into that cinnamon color. I'm picking up a flat shader brush and I'm applying that all over my eyelids. And I know I'm gonna hate myself because for some strange reason, I have the worst reactions to reds and pinks and purples on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Myrtle right on my lid on top of that poppy color. And look at the mess that I made. Just so I can figure out what I want to do with my life. Just gonna pick this one up. And it's a little bit more on the fluffy side than what I was looking for. But I'm gonna spray that with some Fix Plus on both sides. And I'm gonna dig into Myrtle. Right here. It's pretty. It gives it a little bit of that. Just kind of like a highlight on the eyelid is what I'm going for. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. Apply some eyeliner and my lashes, and then I'll come back on camera. I'm also doing this eye just because I want to save time off of camera. And maybe contour too. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my eyeliner and I popped on lashes. I think I want to do inner liner as well, but I'm gonna hold off until the end and see if I still want to do that. because sometimes it makes my small ass eyes look even smaller. And that I always use from Maybelline. So how I do this is I usually just take a beauty blender and I'll just bring down my eyes. Unless I'm being lazy and I use my own finger, which is like 50% of the time. So I just do that to both sides. And then I also take some and I connect it with my wing liner. So I'm just gonna go in to the brown shade first, smoke it out, and then add the red. So I take that brown and just with like the fluffy end of this brush, I drag it down. This brush, honestly, I think I bought this at the makeup show from Crown Brushes, but I've had it so long that it like, whatever name it had on it came off, but it's one of my favorite brushes. So I think that's as far as I want to blow it out, and I think I will be taking in the eyeliner just for fun or whatever. Alright, the way I'm going to do this is just picking up that same eyeliner brush and dipping it in there and just kind of following. I like to look straight and like follow my eye shape. Looking forward and following. Hopefully you guys can see me. So the only thing is, because of the fact that I do want to put some highlighter right there, I'm going to go into Jasmine. This area needs a little bit of love. It takes a little while, but you will get to where you want to be eventually. Like the thickness of your line, you just have to keep going over it. Poppy, just literally a little dab of it, and I'm just gonna, little dab, and I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. So on top of that, last but not least, I'm gonna add some highlight, and this is the highlight that I'll be using today. It looks like that. e.l.f. fan brush. So I think the color I'm going to use is Kat Von D's Hawkwind. Okay, so on top of that color, I think I'm gonna add the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. And I'm just gonna add that to the middle of my lips and blend it out with my finger. Here, but this is my completed look, you guys. Yeah, I love the tones. You gotta get used to that lip right there. All that makeup for $21 a month, and I'm not kidding you guys, it comes in handy because there's things that I'm just like, oh, I always go back to the things that I did receive from my BoxyCharm. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Give me a comment, let me know what's up.